few weeks ago, I repotted this lemon tree. At that time, as you can see, I'll show you, we didn't have much leaves. Plant wasn't happy because I kept it over winter indoor, and also in Montreal we don't have much sunlight, so I kept it under LED lights. So for me, first thing was to repotting this plant into a bigger pot, which is this one, which at least 3 or 4 times bigger than the previous pots. So at that time plant wasn't very happy, so I didn't do any pruning, and I thought I will postpone pruning until plant is more happy, and also waiting a little bit to weather to warm up so I can transfer my plant to balcony. Right now in Montreal weather is way better, so I can transfer this plant outdoor, but I want to do pruning because if you look at this plant, it's very imbalanced. So here it's not grown, but this side it's very tall. So it's very imbalanced, but still very happy. To induce growth on this side and make the plant more balanced, I want to prune these branches and remove them, and hopefully we will induce growth on this side. If you go back to the video from few weeks ago, you can see all of these leaves and branches are new. Okay, so what I want to do is this big branch from here to here, it's made this plant is very imbalanced. So for a few weeks I kept it without this wood and a stick, so plant started to tilt it even more because it became more heavy on this side. So I provided these support so plant can tolerate this weight. But if I want to transfer outdoor and induce better growth, I need to make it less heavy and induce growth on this side, so my plant will be happy. So I'll do a little bit maybe heavy pruning for this plant, but I'm pretty sure result will be very nice in next few weeks. I think I can remove this branch from here, so like this one. It's beautiful, but yeah, I think that's made the plant too heavy, and in few weeks you will have way more. So just keep in mind you need to have a sterilized and clean scissor. Also, if you look at here, this branch is very going down, so I'm not sure it will be a really good branch for this plant, and also gain this imbalance. So I will remove this one too. Okay, so now it's a little bit more balanced. If you can see here, no plant, we have a better balance. But still, I think this side is growing more than this side. So let's prune this side. Hopefully we can get a little bit more growing on this side of the plant, like these young leaves. This branch is completely new. These branches are new, so hopefully they can grow. And so let's start to prune here and remove those branches that they are going toward down direction, like this one. Okay, and also let's prune from here so we can induce more growth by removing these top branches or buds. Okay, I will not do more pruning. I think it's more than enough, and hopefully this plant will thrive, and I think it's time to move it outdoor. If you are interested to learn more about these 2.5-year-old lemon tree, which I completely grown indoor in Montreal, subscribe to my channel.